Researchers at the University of Maryland are reaching new heights when it comes to tackling the bird flu.
And not just studying the different strains of the virus, but also developing a vaccine now to try and help curb the spread.
Ashley Paul is on your corner in College Park, taking us inside the lab where it's all happening.
What you see is a rise in egg costs, but just up the street in College Park, scientists are working to put the chicken before the egg by researching the science behind avian influenza.
We're looking to see how do those strains evolve. So what mutations can they accumulate? How do those mutations affect the virus replication?
Dr. Andrew Broadbent explains the best way to stop outbreaks like the one we're seeing now is to understand how the virus mutates and spreads. At the University of Maryland, the research is done using embryos.
You can see the blood vessels, the veins, and then the shadow is the embryo itself.
Once the tissues are extracted from the embryos, researchers are able to create mini organs, also known as organoids. They can then look at them under the microscope and add viruses to see how the viruses evolve.
So they form these tiny little balls of cells, and so those little balls are like a mini gut, because flu is more of a gut infection in birds.
By then infecting the organoids with different viruses, they can see the science behind what's happening at the farms, and they can use that information to learn what to look out for and to find a more permanent solution.
The U.S. hasn't decided whether it's going to vaccinate chickens yet against influenza, but if it does, then we need to be ready to go with a new vaccine.
Right now, they're researching a number of strains, but Dr. Broadbent says they plan to take a closer look at H5, the current strain affecting flocks across the U.S., very soon. On your corner in College Park, I'm Ashley Paul, WJZ.
Ashley, thank you.